So next experiment is the calculation of the standard time for a given activity. So the standard time, you know the basic difference between the standard time of the normal time and the basic time. So basic time is arrived at doing the particular activity many times and taking the average. And the average worker should be well qualified, well trained, he must be aware of the work, everything. So a qualified worker, you can say. So the work carried out by a qualified worker, and you can ask him to do the particular work many times and take the average time. So that is the basic time. That means that particular job should be done within that particular time. So that is the basic time. Okay. So if you add the allowance to that basic or normal time, then it will be called as a standard time. Why the allowances are provided? Because the allowances for men and women will vary from industry to industry, and nature of work and the work environment, all those things. Okay. So usually the ladies will be given the more allowances. For example, the 15% allowance means 15% of the basic time, and the gents will be given lesser allowance, that is 10% of the basic time. So the allowances varies from industry to industry and the nature of work and the many things you can and many types of allowances are also there that you can go through it. So now whatever the readings you did it for the pegboard assembly, so the same readings you can take down, and the observed time and what is the time taken you can note down, and the rating factor. So whatever the rating factor you are giving for different trials, so the same rating, that is in the trial number 1, observed time, that is some stopwatch, whatever the readings we have taken. So those readings you can take, and rating, how much rating you have arrived, so that you can take, and the basic time we can arrive at using the formula. Basic time is observed time into rating. For example, observed time for the standard speed, he was taking 42 centiminutes to distribute, to assemble the pegboards. So for that, the rating factor will become 1. So that means observe 42 into 1, the 42 centiminutes is the basic time for the standard one. Similarly, other trials, if you have rated 90%, if your rating is 90% and the observed time is whatever readings you have arrived at, so that time into 0.9, so that will give the basic time. And similarly other trials you can use and arrive at the basic time. And finally you take the average of all the basic time, all the trials, and give the 10% allowance of the basic time and convert into the standard time. Okay, so the standard time is with allowance and the basic time is without allowance. Okay. Yeah, next experiment is the measurement of the body parameters using walking simulator. It's an ergonomic related experiment. Here we are asking a particular person, so that is for different people, those are having different weights. For example, 50, 60, 65, 70 different kgs, and we are asking them to run at different speeds. For example, 40 kilometers per hour, or 4 kilometers per hour, or 10 kilometers per hour. So higher is the speed, and his heart rates, burning of the calories will become higher and higher. So as the heartbeat increases, he is going to burn more calories. So the heart rate, the calories that we are going to check. So that means we are checking the fatigue rated in the operator. Okay. So now we will switch on the machine, and he will run for different speeds, and later this machine will give everything, that is the pulse rate, the energy consumption, that is the calories, everything it is displayed. Everything will be displayed on the machine. Okay. Yeah, he is going to take the 2 kilometers per hour and his weight is 65 kg. After every 1 minute, he is going to take a reading.
Okay, so after 1 minute, calorie consumption is 2.1 and pulse rate is 95.
Yeah. So similarly, the second trial.
Similarly, next second trial.
So he is going to change the speed. He is increasing the speed.
Okay. After 2 minutes, next pulse rate is 109 and calorie consumption is 5.0. Now next 6 kilometer speed. Okay. After 3 minutes, 120 pulse rate and calorie consumption is 110.0.
So here we have given, he has detected the readings obtained on the machine for different speed and different weight people. So for that, what you are supposed to take is you just take the different, you ask people to conduct different activities, and approximately you can take the heartbeats, if you can measure, and the energy level and all those things, and you can plot the graph of the speed versus the pulse rate, and the speed versus the energy consumption. So that graph you can plot it. Okay. Ultimately, the graph should show the higher the speed, the more is the heartbeat and the calorie burn level and all those things. Okay. So this is the ergonomic related experiment, and you are going to check the fatigue created if the worker is operated at higher speed. Okay.